In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your tax returns from TurboTax. By the end, you'll have a clean PDF copy of your return that you can save, print, or share when you need it, like for loans or personal records. I'll walk you through the exact path inside TurboTax Online and add a few clarity tips along the way so nothing feels confusing. Start from your TurboTax workspace for the tax year you want. Make sure the year shown at the top matches the return you're trying to download. Now look for the Tax Tools area. Depending on your screen size, you might see it in a side menu or under a menu button. If your window is small, try expanding the browser or scrolling to reveal the navigation. Click Tax Tools to open the utilities that sit behind the main guided experience. Next, select Tools. This opens a compact panel with shortcuts that help you manage your return beyond the standard questions. From here, choose View Tax Summary. This takes you to a high-level snapshot of your return details. It's a handy checkpoint to confirm you're in the right place and looking at the correct year before you generate a file. On the summary page, find and click Print Center. Think of the Print Center as the hub for creating a printer-friendly or savable version of your return. This is where TurboTax assembles your forms into a single document, so you don't have to hunt around for individual pages. Now, click Print, Save, or preview this year's return. TurboTax will prepare a PDF. In many cases, you'll see options to include your full return with all government forms and worksheets, or just the main filing documents. If you're sending the file to a lender or keeping comprehensive records, choose the full package. If you only need the core pages, the shorter option can be quicker to review. After you confirm, TurboTax will either open a preview in your browser or prompt a download. If it opens in a new tab, use your browser's download or save icon to store the file. If it downloads automatically, check your default downloads folder once you have the PDF. Give it a clear file name that includes the tax year and whether it's federal, state, or both. Keep it in a secure location, like an encrypted drive or a trusted cloud folder. It's a good idea to verify the file contains what you expect by scrolling through the first few pages. If you need a different version, return to the Print Center and adjust the selection. That's it. You've successfully navigated to the Print Center and created a downloadable copy of your TurboTax return quickly and confidently.